Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can apply for Truist Bank credit card. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you need to open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.truist.com/smallbusiness/credit card, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. And as you type in the link, you'll be directed to the page where you can apply for the card. And on this page you have a variety of, you can apply for any of the card that you're looking, and in order to apply for it, all you need to do is just click on apply now under the card. And once you're on this page, make sure to go through all of these following statements, and after that you need to scroll down and then you need to provide the information. So first of all, you need to include your first name, last name, and then the email address. And in case if you have any promo code, then you can simply toggle the switch right over here and then enter the promo code. And in case if you have the Truist Bank account, then simply do the same process, that is toggle the switch and then enter the user ID and the password. And after that, there's no need for you to log in into your account. And after you do that, you'll be notified that the request has been submitted, and within 10 to 5 days you'll be able to receive your credit card. So that is how you can apply for the Truist Bank credit card on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.